Good evening, friends. Here I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the engineering and tool company. The company name is SKF Ltd. You can see on the website of the company is dealing in some engineering product like bearings and okay, you can see rolling bearing, power transmission engine, magnetic bearings, automotive seals, test and measurement equipment, vehicle aftermarket. So a lot of things the company is doing. You can go in the site and see the more services the company providing. Studying industrial, rotating equipment performance, turning big data into action, application engineering. A lot of things the company. Let's see the fundamental of the company. Here you can see the 5-year chart of the company. Now company after the lockdown and maybe having the full drop in March 2020 have recovered very well. Ultimate recovery from these particular side positions. Who invested there must be a one bagger or two bagger. You can see 15 to double, now 18 to company doubled from the last down. Now going to the delivery, you can see the company's delivery is very good. 60, 50 and 40% delivery. Update, you can see the corporate tax. Company is paying consistent dividend, and last you can see in July 2020 company paid 130 rupees dividend. Awesome. Now you can see the indicator, again other things you can check with your technical advisor. Now check the fundamental. Company is automotive and initially it is bearing company. Website is SKF India. You can see standalone result date. Company's price 3,195. Market cap is 15,790. Price to earning ratio is EPS, earning per share 76, and price to earning ratio is 14.87, which is something reasonable. Industry 46, book value is 332, price to book value 9.62. This kind of basically large company you will see always this kind of price to book value. Dividend is 0.45, number of shares is 4.94, and face value 10. And the consolidated, you can see this same kind of scenario. Consolidated P only just higher than the consolidation, a standalone. So you can see price to book value 9.16, same scenario. Just go into the result, you can see the consolidated result saying that company net sales is basically down in last June because of this COVID-19 kind of situation. Company is maintaining healthy margin like 10 to 15% margin. Company is maintaining, and other income is 6, also depreciation 14, interest monthly paying very low interest. That is very good sign for the company. Okay, you can see PBT is profit before tax. This one PAT is 79, net profit is 79.12, consolidated profit is 79.12. Very good companies. These things are going down, but I'm sure that you will see the annual result. Right now it's not appearing for the consolidated. When you go in the standalone, you will check there. In the standalone business, net sales were basically down in the June, but last year. But again, this June is basically better than last June. But company has recovered after opening the lockdown and everything. They are showing the company is solid and have maintaining good EBITDA here. Last June was the negative profit. Now this June is 114. Very good sign here. You can see the interest. Company's interest is very low. Company reduced their overall debt and also reduce the interest. You can see the companies maintaining very good tax and paying basically maintaining good profit after tax also. Net profit is also increasing last few quarter, but also last this one and 2 quarters it is down. But maybe company will increase this kind of thing. When you check the annual return, you will see what a company is showing. The overall sales of the company like 3,000 crore, consistent and flat last 1 and 2 and 3 years. But no problem, company can recover and can return and provide the more values in the coming days. Net profit, company is growing their net profit and also maintaining a healthy margin for maintaining the good profit here. You can see the consolidated standalone. You can see return of the 17, return of capital 22, and return also at 12.5. Very good sign. You can see here the efficiency ratios. Company is increasing their price to book value. Very good sign here. The working capital also reduced. Now check some balance sheet information. Now chart is linked on the balance sheet. You can go into the standalone. You will see the particular side. Company very good sign. The company reducing their equity capital from 52.73 to 49.44. Very good sign. Reserves is also basically now it is showing flat since last 2 and 3 years, but I'm sure that this company can recover it. Okay, you can see the current liabilities is 693, but current non-current liability is 25 crore. When you check the non-current asset is growing basically very good way, in upward direct 651 crore non-current asset. When you click here, you will see the long-term investment increase, fixed asset increase, loan advance increase. When you click in the current asset, you will see the short-term investment company has removed inventories 468, very good sign. Sundry debtor 558, 583, cash in bank 500 crore. What a company! I'm maintaining healthy cash company maintaining, very good sign. Here total assets, so you can see the profit and loss of the consolidated standalone business. You can see companies growing their profit. Cash, you can see cash in hand, companies growing their cash in hand, very good sign for that. Now you can see the promoter holding there. All promoter are foreign promoter. You can see companies having foreign promoter. Now it is a multinational company. You can see that. Public, you can see FII decreasing their particular and not have a very good, but DIS basically maintain their particular having good belief on this company. Non-institution and public basically increase their strike in this company. Very good sign here. You can see the who's the public holder like SDFC, SPI, blue chip. All these are blue chip company holding the SKF. Foreign promoter BSKF, SKF UK Limited, multinational company. Okay. Now you can see the public IPF and non-promoter group. Okay, very good sign. Company mutual fund holding outlook, you can see edge report scan. You can see fundamental scan is lot of things, high return, no leverage, high P stock, consistently dividend company. Very good sign for this kind of company. Hope this video help you to understand the basically quality and information about the SKF India. Always check with your advisor before